Question number 16. If y equals to 3 sine into bracket minus 4x, dy dx is, so this question comes from the topic calculus. So we are being asked to differentiate this function. And the method we're going to use is the method of function of functions. The reason I say function of function is there are two functions in one function. Okay, let me explain better. Y equals to 3 sine minus 4x. So this is one function on its own. And below here is another function. Minus 4x is another function. So you see there are two functions in one function. So that's why I call it function of function. Okay. So the way to go about this is you look at the smaller function that is inside the bigger function and use a variable or a letter to represent it. Usually we use u, letter u. So say let u equals to what? Minus 4x. Then if you differentiate this, the u dx, this will give you minus 4. For those of us who may not know how to do differentiation, let me quickly recall you. If you have ax raised to power of n and you are being asked to differentiate it with respect to x, d dx of this will give you an times x raised to power of n minus 1. Take for instance, like here we have minus 4x. If you have to differentiate this, our a is minus 4. Our n is 1. That's 4 times 1 times x raised to power of n, which is 1 minus 1. So that will be minus 4 times x raised to power of 0. 0 raised to power 0 is 1. That's minus 4. So that's how we get that. Sorry. So that was by the way. I wasn't supposed to do that, but for the benefit those who need revision, so that fall in line. So we reach this point. So now our bigger function, which is y, now be written this way: 3 sine u. So now we're going to differentiate y with respect to u. So that's what the y, the u will be equals to, this is the constant to keep it. If you differentiate sine, you get cos. That will be cos u. So therefore, the y dx, we're told to find the y dx, not the u dx, or not the y du. So the y dx is the same thing as the y du times the u dx. Basically the u cancel the u, and you end up having the y dx. That's the idea, but you don't actually do the canceling. You just bring what they represent. The u dx, bring it and put here. The y du, bring it up, put here. So, and the y dx will now be, what's our dy du is 3 cos u times the u dx is minus 4. So you multiply that, minus 4 times that, will be minus 12 cos u. And what was our u? Our u is minus 4x. So that will be minus 12 cos minus 4x. So that's our dy dx. Which option is that? That should be option B. So this is how to do this.